Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, as you can see, I've I didn't record the first part of this video, so we are just at the moment rounding this off, and I'm using the Easy Wood finisher here, just making some light cuts, trying to define the shape. And now I'm just sort of like making some nice little finishing cuts just to try and smooth that off to aid the sanding process. And here we are at the sanding process. I'm starting at 120, working up to 240 at this point in time. That's all done now, so this is just a little bit of sanding sealer. I apply 2 coats of this sanding sealer because this wood is very dry, to be fair, and it's soaking it up quite well. I'm now adding some Yorkshire Girt and just applying it with the lathe stationary at the moment, and then once I start to work it in, I'll use the lowest settings possible on my lathe, on this belt speed anyway, which is just around 500 RPM. And there we go. So I'm just working this in now. Now what I do here is I do cut a little bit of this out, so I work that for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I turn the lathe speed up for another 2 minutes or so, and here we go. You can see just taking it all off. And now on this one, what I'm doing is I am adding Wood Wax 22, so a nice thin coat of Wood Wax 22, and then I'll polish that off. And there we go, just polishing it off, no pressure, just really letting the cloth and the wax heat up and become a stable, solid finish. Well, part of the finish. And there you go, Chestnuts Microcrystalline wax. Now here you just see me adding 1 coat. In actual fact, I added 2 thin coats of microcrystalline and buffed them in, and this, it just makes it pop. I love it. And there we go, just buffing it in. Again, no pressure, just letting the cloth do the work. As you can see, it's really starting to shine up. You can see that light line there. It's just getting clearer and clearer the more times that I pass by. And there we go. So flip this one around. I've now switched to the Easy Wood chuck. I'm just now starting to get the defined shape for the pot puree, and using the #1 tools here. So #1 tools, the Easy Wood tools. I've got #1 on the brain. Sorry guys. So now I am using the #1 hollower. Don't know what it is about this tool, but it just cuts through wood like butter. Absolutely love it. Just hogging this out, you know, we've got to get it down a little bit, and this tool, it's just, I keep saying it and I say it over and over, you're probably going to get bored of me saying it, but it is awesome. That CI5 cutter, it's great. And just flicking back now to the finishing tool, just really now just trying to get a smooth finish, just to wait the sanding process, take away some of those little tool marks, because I do get a bit carried away from time to time. Back to that number 1 hollow, and now I'm just working on that inside, trying to get it as deep as possible, so as much potpourri or puree, whatever you want to call it, it's irrelevant, can fit into that bowl. So I'm now using the number 2 hollower just to try and get that wall thickness underneath that lip a little bit more defined. And back again. Look at those cuts. These cutters, they just move material. So back to the finishing process. I'm just taking really light cuts here. And it fits. So back to the sanding again, same type of sanding as what I did on the outside, going from about 120 up to 240. Lathe speed's running around 600 to 700 from memory. Now just hitting it with a bit of sand and sealer. And again, it took a couple of coats for this to soak in. We're back to the Yorkshire Girt. Again, applying it stationary, working it in, and again, lowest speed possible, and then working it up. And there we go. Just making sure that is totally worked in there. All good. So again, back to the same process as we've done on the outside. We're hitting this with wood wax 22 and then microcrystalline. And again, just buffing that in nice and gently. Make sure we get that microcrystalline wax really buffed in and a nice even finish all the way through the bottom. So if you like this one, thank you very much, and don't forget, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching. See you next time.